I'm recording the spinner, and on my camera it looks like it's going backwards. And the funny thing is, it's spinning really fast, but on the camera it looks like it's going slow.
Unreal.
Yeah, you ought to study Spinoza and see what he says about the world. I've got a good article. It'll take you 15 minutes to read if you want to read it.
Yeah, I'll read it. Well, let's say like one quote of this, if you got a good quote in the back of your mind.
Can't think of a specific quote, but
What's he famous for saying?
I mean, he's got a lot of famous quotes, but he's famous for being one of the founders of ideas like quantum physics, that all matter is interrelated, that God, everything exists because of God. And he doesn't necessarily,
So he's a Christian or what?
not necessarily Christian, he doesn't necessarily ascribe to the Christian faith.
He's a Jew, right?
What?
He's Jewish.
I don't know if he was Jewish.
Yeah, he is.
Was he? I mean, brilliant mind. At 3:20, this sucker's still spinning.
What was his like? Was he a loner or what?
Well, he was ostracized by the church because of his views and beliefs.
Was he martyred?
I don't think so. Just an outcast.
What country did he live in?
Somewhere in Europe.
Did he have a wife and kids?
I don't remember. I just like to read his writings.
You
I haven't read his bio.
Have you read Schopenhauer?
Huh.
He's alright.
All right, we've just passed 4 minutes, and it's still spinning. Up, it's slowing down. It's probably not going to reach 6 minutes. My record is 6 minutes and 31 seconds. Second best is 6:24 and change.
What's up, fellas?
Hey, Jeremy.
Crack-a-lack.
I got my 6-minute spinner.
Fucking chilling.
I got my 6-minute spinner. So what are you going to catch today?
I'm gonna go for a striper.
Nice.
Oh, I'm probably gonna run a drop shot rig. You know what that is?
Uh-uh.
You put a weighted jig head
Yeah,
on the end,
yeah.
and then you tie 2 hooks up above it.
Okay.
So I'll run like an anchovy on the bottom, cut bait of some sort. You know, anchovy or just whatever.
Yep.
We usually use anchovies. And then I may, on the 2 hooks, I may either put another piece of anchovy or a plastic worm or something for,
Yep.
you know, largemouth, smallmouth, anything else that might hit. Who made the spaghetti?
I did. Help yourself.
You sure?
Yeah.
I will
This suck-
repay you
Hold up.
by tomorrow going to the grocery store and buying essential stuff such as shit paper.
That'll work.
Out.
That'll work. Hey, the spinner just passed 5 minutes and 25 seconds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Must be a good bearing in there.
Hey, very good bearings. And now
How
my
much did you pay for
Facebook,
that one?
$14. Now my Facebook
really?
post has you saying the S word.
Well, I'm surprised the F word didn't get caught.
It didn't make 6 minutes, but it made 5 minutes and 45 seconds, baby.
Take it